Good afternoon, my name is Mrs. Reda and I'll be discussing the Padlet with you. The objective of the lesson is to generate products that illustrate learning. It is no longer a must to produce a boring old research paper or simple PowerPoint. With the following suggested technology resources, you can create something interactive and cutting edge to present to your teacher and classmates. Creating projects that illustrate learning serves two purposes. One, it demonstrates to teachers and peers that you were able to take in the information and create something new. Two, this production skill is something that is required in the workforce in today's digital society. So think of it as spring training for your future. The discussion question I pose to y'all today is, in this 2.0 era, how can the various presentation tools help one succeed and get ahead in their future occupations? I'm going to go ahead and briefly break down the different resources I pulled for y'all. Do you identify with a traditionalist tendency towards projects? Well, how about using the following resources to stay true to your strengths, but with an added spin? The following three programs, Google Slides, Prezi, and Nearpod, allow you to hone in on that PowerPoint presentation, but each has a little something extra to give you that creative edge. Working in a group can be difficult because of scheduling, but with Google Slides, everyone can comment and create collaboratively from wherever they're from to get the job done. Prezi allows you to zoom in on details and take the audience on a tour through your presentation. Nearpod provides your audience the opportunity to be interactive throughout your presentation with polls, quick draws, and free response sections. Now, say you're not much of a class speaker, or maybe it's your strong point. The following two resources, Screencast-O-Matic and Screencast-Ify, give you the opportunity to shine in a different light. Screencast-O-Matic provides you the capability to voice over presentations or create videos in the comfort of your own home. No pressure. Screencast-Ify allows you to record free 15-minute videos that can also be presented, uploaded to YouTube and shared with classmates. Now, say you're a visionary when it comes to media. The traditional projects restrain your creativity. Well, then the following resources, Wakelet and SnapGuide, will help cure that. SnapGuide lets you demonstrate a process step by step by photo documenting the entire process. Lab reports are given life. In Wakelet, you can create an entire montage of resources and videos on a topic. It's like putting all your resources in one place when there are just too many good ones to choose from. And lastly, are you the joker type or love adding a playful flair to your presentations? Then TikTok quizzes and Kahoot are for you. In Quizzes and Kahoot, you can competitively quiz your peers to face off against one another based on your presentation, or get everyone on their feet dancing to your music video tutorial using TikTok. So many good resources for everyone to pull from here based on your personality type. And again, how is this going to be applicable in the real world? The following skill of creating products to illustrate learning is one you will carry with you beyond your 4 years of high school. For example, creating a Prezi for a big presentation at your corporate law firm, or creating a social media post of your latest culinary creation for your small business. Or what if you're tasked with creating a security plan for your supervisor in the law enforcement sector? This skill will become embedded as a resource in your future livelihood. I encourage you to try resources that you're not traditionally comfortable with and have fun.